Today we have a vital topic to discuss, one that concerns the health of our kidneys. So if you are ever wondered how your diet affects these essential bean-shaped organs in your body, you are at the right place. We often hear about foods that impact our heart, liver and stomach, but it's time to shine a spotlight on our kidneys. These remarkable organs silently work day in and day out, but they are not invincible. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering your blood, removing waste, regulating minerals and maintaining fluid balance. When they are compromised, it can lead to lots of health issues. Remember, knowledge is power, and by the end of this video, you will be armed with the information you need to keep your kidney healthy. Avocados, while praised for its multitude health benefits, does require special concentration for individuals dealing with kidney issues. The avocado contains relatively high level of potassium, which while beneficial for most people, can be problematic for individuals with compromised kidney function, as the kidneys may struggle to filter and excrete excessive potassium. In case of advanced chronic kidney disease or those on dialysis, excessive potassium intake can lead to a condition known as hyperkalemia, which can disrupt normal heart function and potentially result in life-threatening complications. Therefore, individuals with kidney issues should moderate their avocado consumption and adhere to a carefully managed diet plan to ensure they maintain safe potassium levels and overall kidney health. Red meat. Who does not love a nice juicy steak or a rack of lamb? But consuming too much of these can prove to be very harmful for a weak kidney. These meats are high in protein content. When you eat proteins, your body breaks it down into waste that must be cleaned from the blood by the kidneys. Eating more protein than your body needs may put an extra burden on the kidneys and causes kidney function to decline faster. Salt. Your food would usually be tasteless if not for a pinch of salt. Salt compresses of sodium, and much of sodium in your diet can be harmful because it causes your blood to hold fluid. The extra fluid raises your blood pressure and put a strain on your kidneys. So always eat your food with a pinch of salt, but not anything more. Bananas. Bananas are renowned for their rich potassium content. In fact, a single banana contains approximately 422 milligrams of potassium. While this is generally considered healthy for those with normal kidney function, for individuals with chronic kidney disease, as bananas have high levels of potassium and damage kidneys, will allow potassium to build up in the blood, causing serious heart problems. Chocolate. Who does not love chocolate? But chocolate is known to be a source of unhealthy fat. Chocolate can raise blood cholesterol and clot blood vessels, increasing the risk of heart attack or stroke in people with chronic kidney disease, who already are more susceptible to those problems than most people. We understand it can be tricky to balance good nutrition with dietary restriction, but a little awareness in understanding the ingredient can go a long way for a healthier and happier kidney. Tomatoes, with their vibrant color and tasty flavor, are a versatile ingredient that enhance various dishes, whether consumed fresh in salads, slow cooked in stew, or transformed into sauces. Tomatoes have earned their place in the kitchen. However, the concern arises from their high potassium content. To put this into perspective, just 1 cup of tomato sauce can contain as much as 728 milligrams of potassium. This amount can significantly impact your daily potassium intake, which needs to be carefully managed when dealing with kidney issues. Potatoes and sweet potatoes. Both regular potatoes and sweet potatoes, while popular and nutritious choice in many diets, pose unique challenges for individuals prioritizing kidney health. Regular potatoes is particularly contain a relatively high amount of potassium, with a medium-sized baked potato delivering around 610 milligrams. Similarly, sweet potatoes, though known for their rich flavor and health benefits also pack a substantial potassium punch, offering roughly 542 milligrams in a similarly sized serving. Research has shown that cooking potatoes, especially when submerged in cold water, can effectively reduce their potassium content. By soaking potatoes for just 5 to 10 minutes, you can achieve a potassium reduction of up to 20%, a technique often referred to as the double cook method. Was this video an eye-opener for you, realizing that some foods which are good for everyone else can actually be bad for people with kidney disease? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.